Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this edition of Carl's Bearded Banter. As you can see, my sign being looked after by the great Oswald there. It's a Flat Cap Friday post, and we're going to do our beard oil and balm review. Nice and quick. Before we do, don't forget, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, tell one, tell all to come along. Now, let's get on with the review. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Yes, beard oil and balm review from Bangin Beards today, and we're going to review this Mango Melody. I keep saying Mango Medley, so if I do, I've already warned you about it anyway. There's the oil. Let's try and get it in focus. Give it a little spin. I don't think we're going to see the instructions there. Now that is a 10ml oil, and that will cost you £7.99. Bargain that. They also do a 30ml oil, and here's the balm. Mango Melody Balm. This one is a 35g balm, and that will cost you £10.99. They also do a 15g and a 75g balm. Amazing. Anyway, let's have a look. Now, I've done some Bangin Beard stuff before, so I do like their products. The oil, what's in the oil? We have got almond oil, grapeseed, coconut, argan, jojoba, and essential and fragrance oils. Now, with a name like Mango Melody, you can kind of guess what you're going to expect in the smell. There's one of them little stoppers on it as well. I do like them. And the smell is wonderful. Wunderbar, top notch. You know, I've been doing a lot of the kind of sweet scented ones recently, and this is a sweet scent. It's a sweet, fruity scent. What does it say about the blurb online for this one? One for fruit lovers. Should we start again? Put my teeth in. One for fruit lovers. This blend has a warm and fruity smell of mango with hints of other exotic fruits. Makes this blend one for any beard balm collection. Nice, short and sweet, just like me. Now it is really, you really do smell the mango. And the two strongest scents in this are mango and I'd say watermelon. And it is lovely. The oil itself, I mean, look at the ingredients in that. They've got almond, grapeseed, coconut, argan, jojoba. Some great base oils in there. I've already got some in my beard. I'm just doing this for show, really, I suppose. But the smell is fantastic. I might as well put some of this on my arm. This is one that you won't mind putting on your skin because it's just a lovely smell. The stuff I'm getting from Bangin Beards are just getting better and better every time. Right, let's look at the balm, shall we? Now, the balm ingredients, we have got mango butter, shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, almond oil, grapeseed oil, and fragrance oil. Now, you can see I've already used some there, but it's sort of hard to tell. It's a thick oil because of the beeswax. It's quite solid, even in this warm weather, and it does take a bit of effort to get some out, which is good because you know you want that thickness because you want it to hold your beard into place. Warm up on your fingers so it melts down into an oil. Apply it to the beard. And once you've done that, really, this is where the cold air from a hairdryer comes in it. Once you put it in, like I said, with a beard balm, you're just coating the top of the beard. You're not getting it right in there as you should do with the oils onto your skin. You put it on the top, blast your beard with a bit of cold air just to cool the balm down again, so it's going to go from the kind of like oil texture more into the solid texture like you see in the tub, more into that wax sort of solidify. That's the word I'm looking for. It's going to solidify on your beard and just hold it in place throughout the day. Again, the smell is fantastic. With the oil, the smell is kind of like 50-50 of mango and melon. There's some other smells in there. I'm getting the smell of green. Yeah, that's right. The smell of the colour green. There's some other fruits in there. You can smell it. More the soft fruits. But in the balm, I would say that there's a slight coconut smell to this one as well. That I assume that's just coming from the I don't know if it's coming from the beeswax or what, but it's a kind of waxy but coconutty smell to it. But you are getting that mango and melon, but more, I would say more the melon, just kind of a bit more than the mango, only slightly more. I'd say 60-40 maybe. Again, a brilliant combination. I remember there was a slight difference with in the other one, but they are a brilliant combination and they are a fantastic summer's smell. They are fun, they are fruity, they are worth getting and trying now. Remember, if you use the code CBB15, you'll get even more discount knocked off on your order. So go and give them a try. That's all I want to say for today. Have a great Flat Cap Friday. Have a crack-a-lacking weekend, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.